Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make a mail without phone number. Alright, so the first step what you need to do here is to go on your browser, and then you need to go on mail.com, and then you will be redirected to mail.com page. And then, as you can see here on the top right corner, there is a sign up button. Press on that, and the next step what you need to do here is to fill out your information. So as you can see here, you basically need to put your new email username, your first last name, your country, and as you can see here under the password recovery options, it says by SMS recommended, but if you take this out, as you can see here, you can basically select by email and put your other email address, and press after filling out all the information, press I'm not a robot and I agree and create an email account. And that's pretty much it, and that's how you can basically make an email without a phone number. Alright, so if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.